In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Copilot Voice. If you've been using Copilot and want the voice to sound more like you prefer, whether that's brighter and friendly or calm and professional, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to make the switch. It's quick, and the changes take effect right away, so you can keep working without missing a beat. First, open Microsoft Copilot in your web browser. You can get there by visiting the Copilot website. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar chat interface. Make sure you're on a chat screen where Copilot can respond to you. If the site looks different from what you expect, that's okay. Microsoft occasionally updates the layout, but the controls we're about to use are usually in the same general area. Next, look for the voice icon on the page. It commonly appears near the chat input area and looks like a small microphone or a waveform. Clicking this icon opens the voice panel, which is where Copilot handles speaking and listening. If the panel pops up and you only see basic options, give it a second to load. Voice features sometimes take an extra moment to initialize. Inside that panel, find and click Voice Settings. This opens a dedicated section where you can adjust how Copilot sounds. Think of it as the control room for spoken responses. Here you'll manage the voice itself and sometimes other related preferences. If you don't immediately see the settings option, look for a gear icon or a link labeled settings within the voice area. Now select the voice you want to change to. You'll usually see a list of available voices with different styles and tones. Availability can vary by region and language, so your list may look slightly different from someone else's. Voices often include a short description that hints at the personality. Some are warmer, some are more neutral, and others are energetic. Choose the one that fits your workflow and the mood you want in your audio replies. In many cases, you'll notice the change instantly the next time Copilot speaks. If you're experimenting, feel free to switch between options until you land on the one that sounds just right. And remember, you can revisit these settings at any time if your preferences change. That's all there is to it. Open Copilot, tap the voice icon, go into voice settings, and pick the voice you prefer. Enjoy a more personalized Copilot experience and have fun finding the tone that helps you focus and stay productive.